Not all SUVs are created equal. Some are just flash and screens, while others are built to take a beating and keep going. In a world of software glitches, surprise repair bills, and short-term thinking, reliability still matters. 2025 brings new designs and smarter tech, but only a few SUVs still prioritize what really counts: durability, engineering, and trust. Let's jump into them, and trust me, you'll want to stay until the end. Toyota RAV4, the indestructible all-rounder. The RAV4 is Toyota's best-selling vehicle, and for good reason. It's efficient, practical, and ridiculously dependable. In 2025, it continues its reign as the go-anywhere, last-forever SUV. This is the one you buy if you just want something that works all the time. Its standard 2.5 liters engine is rock solid and sips fuel like a compact. Handling is easygoing and predictable, with available AWD for year-round traction. The hybrid variant offers even better mileage without sacrificing reliability. This is a set-it-and-forget-it kind of drivetrain. No surprises, just smooth sailing. 2025 adds subtle design updates, sleeker LEDs, sharper wheel designs, and fresh color options. It strikes the perfect balance between modern and rugged, without screaming for attention. The RAV4's cabin is simple, smart, and solidly built. All the buttons feel durable, and the materials are meant to survive family life. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with Toyota's updated touchscreen. It's quiet, comfortable, and doesn't try to be overly complicated. The RAV4 is the SUV version of a Swiss watch: precise, proven, and low maintenance. Ask any owner. It just doesn't break. It also holds its value like gold. It's the safe bet that keeps paying off. Acura RDX. The RDX proves you don't need a German badge to enjoy refined comfort and elite reliability. It blends performance, premium features, and long-term peace of mind like few others. In 2025, it's sharper than ever and still built to go the distance. Luxury that lasts is the real flex. A turbocharged 2.0 liters engine delivers punchy acceleration with smooth shifts and great highway manners. Acura's AWD system adds grip and confidence in wet or snowy conditions. It handles like a sporty sedan, but rides like a calm cruiser. Maintenance costs stay lower than European rivals by a mile. The RDX carries Acura's bold diamond pentagon grille, sleek lines, and athletic stance. In 2025, it gets refined details like smoke tail lamps and upgraded LED signatures. Premium without the pretense. High-quality materials, a roomy cabin, and supportive seats make every trip enjoyable. The updated infotainment system is quick and clear, and cabin insulation is top-notch. You'll get ambient lighting, real aluminum trim, and wireless charging even in mid-trims. It feels like it costs more than it does. The RDX is one of the few luxury SUVs with a rock-solid reliability record. You get upscale driving without the repair shop visits. Resale value is strong, and real-world owners report decade-long satisfaction. It's quietly one of the best decisions in its class. Subaru Forester. You might not hear much hype about the Forester, but talk to its owners, and you'll see why it's a favorite. It's built for longevity, bad weather, and road trips that never end. If you want reliable AWD with real-world toughness, this one delivers every time. It's the smart choice that speaks softly but carries a big lifespan. Subaru's 2.5 liters boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive are built for balance and traction. It's not fast, but it's focused on control, safety, and fuel efficiency. It's predictable in the best way, and very low stress to drive. Chunky body lines, high ride height, and a no-nonsense look define the Forester. 2025 models add subtle tweaks like a more aggressive grille and fog light upgrades. The Forester's cabin is practical, durable, and incredibly roomy for its size. Seats are wide and comfortable, with lots of headroom and large windows all around. Subaru's EyeSight safety tech is standard, and controls are refreshingly simple. It feels like it was designed by people who actually drive. This is one of the most durable AWD SUVs under $35K year after year. It's beloved by people who drive them 200,000 plus miles with almost no issues. Safe, honest, and built for the long road. It's the quiet MVP of reliable SUVs. Mazda CX5. The CX5 brings driving joy to the reliability conversation. It's the only SUV on this list that's actually fun to drive without giving up dependability. Mazda packed this one with quality, style, and long-term trust. It's proof that reliable doesn't have to mean boring. The base engine is smooth and efficient, while the turbocharged option brings real excitement. Steering is precise, and suspension tuning makes it feel more like a sports sedan than a crossover. Brakes, transmission, and engine all hold up remarkably well with age. This is an SUV you'll enjoy and rely on. With its sleek grille, sculpted body, and tasteful chrome accents, the CX5 looks way more premium than its price. It has a clean, mature design that ages gracefully. Mazda's cabins are clean, quiet, and well-crafted. Top trims offer Nappa leather, real wood, and a minimal yet elegant dash layout. The infotainment is user-friendly, and cabin insulation keeps the outside world at bay. It's refined without being fragile. It's great for solo drivers, couples, or small families that want more personality. This one feels alive and stays that way. That's 4 down and 3 more ultra-reliable SUVs to go. Hyundai Santa Fe. Hyundai has come a long way, and the 2025 Santa Fe proves it's now a real player in long-term quality. It's bold, spacious, and comes with one of the best warranties in the business. This isn't just about flashy redesigns. It's about building trust mile after mile. For families and road warriors, it's a seriously smart choice. Choose between a 2.5 liters turbo engine or hybrid option, both tuned for smooth power delivery and efficiency. The ride is composed, the cabin stays quiet, and AWD is available across most trims. Handling is better than you'd expect, with solid brake feel and composed cornering. It's built to handle your daily life without drama. The 2025 redesign is boxy, bold, and attention-grabbing, a total departure from the old look. Inside, it's unexpectedly upscale. 2 massive digital displays dominate the dash, and the layout is clean and driver-focused. Material quality has jumped a level, soft touch surfaces, real stitching, and smart storage everywhere. 3 rows are available, with a flat load floor and reclining second row. Hyundai nails both the tech and the comfort. 10-year powertrain warranty. Improved build quality. It's a bold SUV with brains behind the brawn, and real-world owner feedback backs it up. Volkswagen Tiguan. You don't usually hear Volkswagen and reliable in the same sentence, but the Tiguan is the quiet exception. With improved engineering and a reputation for solid longevity, it's finally earned its place. If you want European ride quality without European repair nightmares, this is your move. It's refined, understated, and built to last. The 2.0 liters turbo engine offers smooth torque and great fuel economy. Steering is tight, and suspension strikes a nice balance between soft and sporty. AWD models feel planted in all weather, and the 8-speed automatic holds up well. Maintenance costs are surprisingly low for the segment. It's subtle and handsome, the kind of SUV that looks mature without being flashy. Sleek LED headlights, clean lines, and an understated grille define its classy profile. Inside, it's all about logic and comfort. Controls are right where you need them. The digital cockpit is crisp, and materials feel high quality. It's quiet, ergonomic, and thoughtfully built. The Tiguan proves Volkswagen can build a long-lasting, low-drama SUV. Recent models show marked improvement in dependability. It's a practical Euro ride without the usual reliability anxiety. Don't sleep on this one. It's a dark horse winner. Chevrolet Tahoe. Big, bold, and unbelievably dependable, the Tahoe has been a trusted name in full-size SUVs for years. If you need space, power, towing, and bulletproof engineering, this is your ride. It's not just for road trips, it's for a lifetime of heavy lifting. And the 2025 version is better than ever. Choose from a 5.3 liters V8, a 6.2 liters V8, or a super efficient diesel, all built for long-haul toughness. Power delivery is smooth, and towing capacity easily tops 8,000 pounds. The ride is composed thanks to independent rear suspension, and magnetic ride control is available. This is a truck underneath, with SUV comfort on top. The 2025 Tahoe is sharp, muscular, and instantly recognizable. LED headlights, bold grille designs, and a more sculpted profile make it look refined, but rugged. This is where the Tahoe really shines. Spacious, functional, and built for real use. 3 rows of adult-friendly space, premium trim options, and a clean digital layout define the cabin. Rear seat entertainment, panoramic sunroof, and top-tier tech make it road trip ready. Chevy made sure it feels upscale without losing its tough guy roots. Its reliability isn't flashy, but it's proven. V8 longevity, diesel efficiency, and serious towing chops make it a forever vehicle. This SUV doesn't quit, and that's why people keep buying them. We've covered all 7, but how do they really compare across the board? Which of these SUVs would you trust for the next 10 years? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you're in the market soon, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense car advice, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives. We cover everything from reliability to resale value with zero fluff. Want a part 2 with pickups or hybrids? Let us know below. Buying a car shouldn't feel like a gamble, and with these 7 SUVs, it won't. They're built to last, backed by real-world data, and trusted by drivers who keep their rides for the long haul. Whether you're a road tripper, a daily commuter, or a weekend warrior, there's a perfect match on this list. So shop smart, drive long, and we'll see you in the next video.